We are protecting the environment. We are saving energy. We make the world a better place with flowing energy. We achieve sustainable development with continuous innovation. We pay attention to energy and more to the environment and you. We are Jiangsu Suyan Valve Machinery Company Limited, a company dedicated to building a leading enterprise in the valve industry and providing system solutions for the fluid control industry worldwide. Founded in 1991, Jiangsu Suyan Valve Machinery Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise dealing with scientific R&D, production, processing, and technical services, located in the industrial park of Binhai Economic Development Zone, Jiangsu Province, and with a registered capital of 310 million RMB and total assets of 1.5 billion RMB. The company covers a footprint of 80 hectares, with a building area of 320,000 square meters and 1,200 employees. While promoting the progress of the pump valve industry, this aircraft carrier that gathers top-notch scientific and technological information sends a message to the world that the intelligent manufacturing in China is rising. In addition to inheriting the established industrial valve manufacturing practice, the company has assimilated advanced technologies from domestic and foreign companies, carrying out technology research and development in cooperation through multiple channels. After more than 30 years of development and innovation, the company is a heavyweight player in China's valve industry. The company has formed a diversified product line that covers high, medium, and low-pressure valves, including flat gate valves, ball valves, fully welded ball valves, globe valves, check valves, butterfly valves, regulating valves, blow-down valves, high-pressure subsurface safety valves, high-pressure water injection valves, wellhead equipment, Christmas trees, flexible choke and kill hoses, flanges, filters, elbows, castings, forgings, and forged pipe fittings. It also provides a full range of industrial valve integration solutions. The company's products are sold to companies at the upstream, midstream, and downstream of China's petroleum industry, as well as companies in foreign countries, such as the United States, Brazil, Germany, Italy, Argentina, Russia, Japan, South Korea, and Kazakhstan. The company has formed a complete industrial chain and employs advanced equipment for high precision and high efficiency production. We have built casting production lines, coated sand production line, forging production lines, hydraulic forging steel valve production lines, valve production lines, coating production lines, assembly lines, fastener production lines, heat treatment production lines, and stereoscopic warehouses. The company has 780 sets of superior manufacturing equipment, of which the casting production lines consist of molding equipment, shot blasting machines, intermediate frequency furnaces, and roasting furnaces. The forging production lines consist of heating furnaces, hydraulic hammers, mechanic arms, and reclaimers. The valve production lines consist of CNC machining centers, CNC machining centers for ball-shaped mold, gantry machining centers, CNC large-scale vertical lathes, CNC lathes, engine lathes, large-scale vertical lathes, precision grinders, spherical grinders, all automatic welding machines, plasma surfacing machines, HVOF, and welding robots. The coating production line consists of 4 large-scale spray booths. We also have 4 stereoscopic warehouses for finished and semi-finished products, each covering an area of 20,000 square meters. We regard quality as the lifeline of the company. The company has established a national-level lab equipped with 520 complete sets of detection and testing equipment, such as direct reading spectrometer, portable spectrometer, testing apparatuses for chemical analysis, mechanical performance test, and ultra-low temperature test, high-pressure, airtight seal test equipment, high-pressure, watertight seal test equipment, pressure test equipment, a complete set of PR2 test equipment, fire resistance test equipment, flow resistance test equipment, UT, RT, PT, MT, trilinear coordinates measuring instrument, Vickers hardness tester, Brinell hardness tester, Rockwell hardness tester. The lab is equipped with a complete range of detecting and testing capabilities and fully licensed personnel, which help ensure the products can operate in various tough conditions, challenging the limits of precision industry. Since its establishment, the company has great respect for science and technology. The company has established a provincial-level corporate technology center, a provincial-level postdoctoral innovation practice base, and a provincial-level engineering research center, and brought in 68 researchers and developers. The company has 128 high and intermediate level technology researchers and developers who have developed over 300 new products, with annual R&D expenditure exceeding 4% of the annual sales revenue. Service is an extension of the product quality of the company. The company has established specialized service departments at its major domestic sales outlets to provide technical services all year round. On-call services are provided within 20 days of service request during the warranty period, and the spare parts are delivered to the site within 20 days. Over the past years, Suyan has been highly recognized by clients for excellent product quality and considerate after-sales services.